Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best catnip seeds is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding additions you can make to your feline friend's environment, offering a natural and potent way to stimulate their senses and encourage playful behavior, transforming even the most lethargic cat into a bundle of joy and energy, and providing endless entertainment for both your pet and yourself as you witness their delightful reactions to this magical herb. Number 5. Crack Catnip. Prepare for an incredible display of feline energy. One taste of this natural catnip will send your cat into an acrobatic frenzy, providing endless entertainment. Rest assured, this catnip is 100% natural and non-GMO, meaning it's completely safe and non-addictive. It's made with care and fair labor standards right here in North America. We offer the good stuff with a high nepidolactone content, ensuring the most potent and effective catnip experience available on the market. Our product is stored in a climate-controlled environment and sealed to maintain maximum freshness. Your feline friends will surely appreciate the quality. This versatile catnip can also be used for training or to introduce new toys and accessories. It can even supplement existing catnip sprays or balls for an enhanced experience. What we like? This product delivers an intense, acrobatic frenzy for your feline friends. It's made from 100% natural ingredients and boasts the highest commercially available nepidolactone content. If you're looking for the most potent and exciting catnip experience for your cat, this is the one to choose. What people say. The seeds are easy to grow and produce healthy catnip plants. My cats love the catnip from these seeds, they get very excited and playful. The plants grow quickly and are quite hardy, providing a good amount of catnip. Number 4. Open Seed Vault 32-pack non-GMO vegetable and fruit seeds. Discover the joy of gardening with our complete vegetable and fruit seed variety pack. It includes 32 popular types, offering over 15,000 seeds to start your thriving home garden. Our carefully selected heirloom seeds are chosen for their reliability and strong germination rates. They are perfect for both beginner and experienced gardeners alike. Enjoy a wide range of fresh vegetables, from crisp greens to hearty staples, perfect for salads, soups, and home-cooked meals. Each pack comes with a growing guide for success. Each seed variety is individually packed in a resealable, waterproof packet. This ensures long-term storage and protection from moisture, keeping them fresh until you're ready to plant. Thoughtfully packaged and ready to share, this seed collection makes a wonderful gift for anyone who loves growing their own food. It's ideal for gardeners, beginners, and homesteaders. We stand behind our seeds with our quality guarantee. If you experience any issues with germination, our team is ready to help you plant with confidence. What we like? This offers an extensive selection of 32 popular vegetable seeds, perfect for creating a diverse home garden. These are premium heirloom seeds, ensuring reliability and strong germination. If you are a beginner gardener or looking to grow a self-sufficient garden with a wide variety of fresh produce, this comprehensive pack is an excellent choice. What people say. The seeds are easy to grow and produce healthy catnip plants. My cats love the catnip from these seeds. The plants grew quickly and were very fragrant. Number 3. NatureZ Edge Catnip Seeds. Introducing NatureZ Edge Catnip Seeds, perfect for growing your own catnip indoors or outdoors. These non-GMO seeds are your ticket to a happy cat. Experience vibrant catnip growth with our carefully selected seeds. Create a lush, aromatic garden that your feline friend will adore. Get more value with over 2,200 seeds in every pack, 3 times the amount of standard packs. This means plenty for multiple planting areas. Our seeds are harvested fresh each season and stored in climate-controlled conditions. This ensures optimal viability for successful germination. Provide natural stimulation for your cat with homegrown catnip. It's known to promote playfulness and encourage relaxation in a natural way. Each pack is hand-packed with care by our small family business. We ensure attention to detail and quality in every package. What we like? This option provides over 3 times the seeds of standard packs, ensuring plenty for multiple planting areas. The seeds are selected for robust growth, promising a lush and aromatic catnip garden. If you want to grow a substantial amount of catnip for your feline companions and appreciate the care of a small family business, this is a great value. What people say. The seeds are easy to grow and produce a good amount of catnip. My cats love this catnip, and it grows quickly even indoors. Number 2. Survival Garden Seeds Ultimate Medicinal Herb Seeds. Discover the power of nature with our extensive collection of 36 heirloom, non-GMO medicinal herb seeds. Cultivate your own wellness apothecary right at home. This pack features a wide array of beneficial plants like lavender, calendula, echinacea, and peppermint. You'll have everything you need for teas, tinctures, and salves. Explore unique herbalist plants such as white sage, marsh mallow, and holy basil. These rare varieties offer exceptional benefits for your natural health journey. Create your own herbal tea blends with seeds like lovage, bee balm, and fennel. Enjoy the soothing and healing properties of freshly grown herbs. Whether you're an experienced herbalist or a beginner, this kit is designed for easy cultivation. Grow your own natural remedies indoors or outdoors. As a family-owned USA small business, we provide only the highest quality, open-pollinated, untreated seeds. Trust us for your garden success. What we like. This pack is a treasure trove for anyone interested in natural remedies, featuring 36 varieties of heirloom medicinal herbs. It's designed to help you create your own wellness apothecary for teas, tinctures, and salves. If you are an aspiring herbalist, homesteader, or simply looking to cultivate natural healing plants, this kit provides an incredible diversity of options. What people say. The seeds are easy to grow and sprout quickly. My cat loves the catnip from these seeds. The plants grow tall and produce a lot of leaves. Number 1. Indoor Cat Grass Kit. This complete kit has everything you need to grow fresh cat grass. It includes seeds, soil discs, a wooden planter, and mini tools for planting. Easily grow fresh grass indoors any time of year. It's perfect for keeping your feline friends happy and healthy at home. This natural wheatgrass helps support healthy digestion. It can also aid in controlling hairballs, keeping your cat more comfortable. Getting started is simple. Just add water to the soil, plant the seeds, and watch it sprout in just a few days. This compact planter is a neat alternative to messy mats. It's a pet-friendly plant that's safe for both cats and dogs. Please note, this is a wheatgrass kit for your cat's enjoyment. It is not a catnip growing kit. What we like. This is a convenient all-in-one solution for growing fresh cat grass indoors. It includes everything you need: seeds, soil, a planter, and tools, making it incredibly easy for year-round cultivation. If you want to provide your cat with a safe, natural way to help with hairball control and digestion, and you prefer a tidy, contained planting solution, this kit is ideal. What people say. The seeds sprouted quickly and my cats loved the fresh catnip. Easy to grow, even for a beginner gardener. The plants grew tall and produced a good amount of catnip. My cats went crazy for the catnip from these seeds. It's a great way to provide them with a natural stimulant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.